Okay, y'all, how's everybody doing this morning? Welcome to my page. I have sprayed my grill, my electric grill, and I'm going to set it on about 350. And I used the Pam to spray it with, and I'm going to be making some breakfast tacos. So, I have seasonings that I have cut up, and I'm going to put them here and get them all sauteed. I have onions, green onions, bell peppers, parsley, fresh parsley, and I have the red onion. The red peppers and all of that. And I'm going to get it good and sauteed, get them softened up. And once I get that all softened up, I'm going to season my hash browns. These are frozen, and I'm going to mix all of that together. And I will come back. I will cook some eggs here. I have some eggs, and I'm going to put these tacos on this. I will put the shells in the microwave and heat them up, and then I'll put it all together and come back and show you. But right here, it's starting to sizzle a bit, and I'm going to get it all softened before I put in the potatoes. But I'm going to season the potatoes with some Creole seasoning and garlic powder, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. And then I'll come back and show you what I have. And I'm going to also put cheese on top of all of this, but I will come right back.